Woodrow, look. It's me when I don't shower.
Ew. Dude, yours smells sour. Mine smells like salt and vinegar.
This is the car that Woodrow just won with. A big black dick. Hours of fun. Easy to use. Perfect for mom.
I'm not even done, bitch.
The alarm's on. It's blinking. The alarm's still on. Don't close it loud. Don't close it loud. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. Stop. Fuck. You hit your head.
What are you doing? Read the cards.
Take it off.
Hey, first time turning. You fucking jumped.
I screamed.
Ah,
You jumped?
that is funny.
She jumped?
Yeah. Woodrow,
Mine's
my turn. Oh my god. Ah! Mine broke. Dude,
that could be heard from a mile away.
why didn't it work with me? It hates me.
Don't do that. Don't hold it up.
Oh shit.
Why?
Because you get
Like
that
that?
happens.
Oh fuck. Dude,
It's just there.
that fucking burned my hand.
It did.
Yes.
It's now away.
It's now awake.
Make sure my aloe vera is awake. It can't be sleeping at this time of
No sleep.
No sleep.
Sleep.
Slip.
day. Okay, I hear ringing. I hear ringing again.
You're doing it so close to your ear. Do it like a full arm's length away. Not in the garage. Not in the garage. Not in the garage. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I just walked in. Fuck. Oh fuck. That one's so loud. Oh fuck.
I gotta drive by people and go.
Doesn't that burn? Doesn't that fucking burn?
Burn.
Ow.
Fuck. Dude, I don't know if my camera caught that. The fucking air was shifting around it. What the fuck?
I did not. I see that.
Fuck. Do you like air horns, Grandma?
No.
Why not? Why don't you like air? That's the fun of it.
No, it's not.
I'm sorry. So we went out to go spray him. Woodrow sprayed his, and I'm like, hey, let me spray mine. And I went and brought it out, and it sprayed its liquids on my fingers, and it burned. On the package, it said, warning, may cause frostbite. I don't know how I'm gonna cause myself to myself, but.
Sierra. Squeeze my butt. You?
Trying to learn it. Yeah. You keep it up like that. You can move your knees like that. Right? No, what? You're going too fast. I'm not doing that.
Yeah, that was my block.
Ah, gross. Yuck. Gross. Blech.
You'll never have this.
Don't do it.
Please tell her it was you. Please tell her the truth. Wait, you don't need to tell her the truth. I have the truth. I am the truth. I am the tooth. Emma!
I will personally kill you.
Sierra.
I hear ringing again.
Oh my god. That's so fucking loud. We're gonna get shot. So we're going to Target and she wants to bring the lizard.
Lizard. Darla's coming.
What are you gonna tell them when they say, why do you have a lizard?
Why not? I can't think of a reason why not to. Why don't you have a lizard?
Why don't you have a lizard? Is that your emotional support lizard?
Yeah, she tells me when I'm about to cry.
Lizard just looks at you just like, hey, you about to cry, dog.
Holy cow. Is that an actual pet?
Yeah.
No freaking way. What the hell is that thing? Is that a gecko?
It's a bearded dragon.
A bearded dragon? No
Yeah.
freaking way. That is freaking awesome. Where did you get her?
She was given to me by an abusive owner.
Really?
Yeah.
She takes a lot more care of her, so.
Yeah, she went through at least 2 abusive owners before I got her. Yeah.
She's freaking awesome.
Yeah.
She's freaking huge, and she's getting bigger too, huh?
This
she
is her
just-
full size, but that's only because she was deprived of food, so she didn't grow too. She could have been as long as my arm.
Those freaking bearded dragons are huge.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get iguana.
Yeah,
Oh,
they're
yeah.
really cool. Those
Iguanas
can
are
live a
dope.
long time.
Heck yeah. And I like how you like just chop off their tail, it just comes right back.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do it, I mean on purpose. But just someone grabbing it and it's like,
Yeah.
Yeah, they-
you guys have a good one.
you
Yeah,
too.
I wasn't expecting to see someone out here that would want to see the lizard.
Yeah, dude, this freaking thing is awesome.
Have a good one, man. I thought people were just gonna like look at you weird and be mad at you. That was cool.
Give this card to whoever has the hottest dad.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Girls are you fucking.
What the fuck? Well, you made it out with the lizard.
Yep.
No one kicked you out. Surprisingly.
I knew
You got a
that-
compliment
ain't-
from a worker.
Ain't nobody got the balls to kick me out. That's why I always do whatever I want.
You look badass with the mask and the hair, I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you.
And adding a lizard to the mix just makes people not want to fuck with you more, so.
I'm intimidating.
It's the 21st century. A woman shouldn't have to apologize for assembling IKEA furniture. That's a man's job. It's the 21st century. A woman shouldn't have to apologize for accusing a powerful man of sexual assault.
That is a good one, Byron.
You win.
What sounds great for 4 margaritas? After 4 margaritas. Preparing my asshole for sex.
I play it, it's kind of a mood, yeah.
I really like the math teacher's bulge though.
You like your math teacher's bulge?
I love my math teacher's bulge.
We're done. Only my brother? I got this, little brother. Don't you dare! I have a tattoo. That means I'm scared.
I'm gonna
Come?
pop
Maybe poop?
Maybe piss and shit and cum?
Piss and shit and cum and oil? I heard you talking a lot when he had the phone. Why not me? Look, I'm cute from all angles. Down, up, side, side.
on.
Here you go.
I don't apologize. There's no, I'm not apologizing for that.
Call her out.
Oh my god, no way.
Wait.
Oh! Oh! She climbs it?
She's a monkey.
Come here.
Last time she ran up this shit.
Come here. You're a good girl. You're a good girl.
Oh my god.
Good girl. Good girl. Come on.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, good girl! Yo, what the fuck?
Right? I bought a dog, but really it's a fucking money. I want my money back.
A monkey.
A monkey.
He just said a money. Addict gang.
Addict gang. We hate floor gang.
We hate floor gang.
Don't say that. Ah! Oh, sorry. I thought the aliens were coming to kill us.
You're stupid. That joke sucked.
That joke sucked.
You know what he needs?
Who needs?
Grandpa.
What?
A rope of some sort. Maybe stapling to the top of this.
Okay.
From the bottom of that step stool to the top right there. So just in case we're running away from someone and we want to hide, we come up here and then we pull that rope all the way up.
Yeah.
You know, it could be a really good hidey place.
This is a good hiding place. That's what I was gonna say. This would be a nice place to come up and.
Like Anne Frank.
Did you say like Anne Frank?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to scare my brother with the air horn.
Did you see that?
No.
He burped in my face.
Oh my god. Why would you do that? And you also deserve this. Did I scare you?
No, don't do it so close. That hurt. That hurt a lot. Man.
Fuck.
I'll turn it sideways or upside down. That'll happen.
Fuck. Dude, that was, I swear to God, that wasn't faked. Dude, that was real. I fell down.
It's late at night. You're in bed with your lover, Patrick Stewart. He leans over with a twinkle in his eye and asks, "How about this kid I found?"
This kid I found.
That's a good one.
I'm out.
I'm out.
This is horrible. What the fuck is that?
Woody, which one's funnier?
That's horrible. That's sad. I couldn't even say it with a straight face.
I had this card since the beginning of the game. I've been saving it and I'm like, this is it. This is my show. You're gonna have to read out the card exactly the way you did it first. With the white cards as well. You said you would.
Yeah, that's so hot. I'm so close. Talk about naked dad again. Oh, I'm coming.
That's so fucking gross. Even she's upset about it. Did you hear her crying?
Okay.
Oh my god. Quit walking on the cards. Oh my god.
You city folk will never understand the quiet dignity of doing it doggy, no kissing. I like this one. This one.
Holy shit.
I'm a comet in the sky. I'm a comet.